Hey Frank, thanks for your question on YouTube. I appreciate you watching the video, and I'm curious how you found my videos and whether you're getting some value out of them. So I wanted to answer your question about stilted segmental arch windows in a Italianate architecture. So a stilted window or a stilted arch is a window that goes up instead of the typical square window or a arch like this. It actually has a leg on the arch itself, so it's a springboard before the arch happens. So a window that has a stilted arch is a window like that, and then these get segmented down like that. There's two different types of arches. There's an arch like this, and then there's an arch that has, you've seen a different radius. Maybe it curves sharp and then has an arch at the top. So those arches, the ones that actually go up and change radius, is a segmental arch. So a bigger radius and then a tighter curve here at the corner. So that is basically the gist of it. And sorry if I'm a little bit staggered. It's late at night and a long day today, but I hope you find this useful, and I love hearing more about how you find me, what you might be working on. Are you interested in architecture, that kind of stuff. So just reach back out and let me know. Thanks.